good listeners. Methodist program I did a Bremo hour of living a seed for technical reasons which is beyond our control. We could not bring it to you. And to be emphasized, very sorry on behalf of the company, and I'm sorry for that inconvenience. Because there's a specific particular message for Ochina a year 6 March Yentimian broadcast here okay, let me show. abusia mame fanchi akese ma baby bia wutie mene ne baby biara wubetime ahwedwedie ewo Facebook enso so Adom 106.3 and I say YOA Adom Ahengua YOA Adom Ahengua we from ya osu ansa and ya wada osomo question ke o hanu yire so ewa hadom the only awarefo momo sorry ahomachia Mombagana Monda na Zombetna radio so the only Quaison K family Omobaha Omon sorry much na omabisi a radio so no Kenya measem and ye depending na omahofama etmidrusa. So thank God for their lives. But your baby will be dear Chien, Unyami Adom, country also, Omaya also, a Krasia or Krubia woman, the more Quaba, a bed Jumedi, so, and there a dan Yametias for and on the 5th. There tosu inum, a Wobosumia. Etoso miansa imo ena yewe for yata so efe na ono so aba bedruha enti yenyina na yesum na yasumo yesum ewrade na yasumo. Thank you very much. Bonsra, good morning. Agnes Menya, good morning. Facebook for Mashada Ama 1-2. One more radio city, well, they said to me, but Quambe Fasudi, and it's send the BB on my WhatsApp. Good, thank you very much. Say ebiana woni Facebook na pese we dey on baby up na YouTube so just go to the YouTube na type Adom 106.3 Adom 106.3 106.3 FM. I also so benyame e wo hodom. Abde ba kwa na me say ya so ya hook up to what DSTV so check channel 883. Channel 883. Kona say na me check wo baby na me say ye di ni so na other stations was so na say me wu afia. Ye ne ba ye di kan ba yo. Yanya careful and here baba HD4 and nyamema nempare. So what DSTV is so you don't need to just swift from the television. Quickly just go back there 883 and we benya Yohana say GOTV Go TV and also benya 196 and so every area be Robert benya na yegyina ya som onyamete ase for no ehonum onyame ma de papa bi achiyen ade papa pa no ama ya chiyen medamo a musomi mu ase ewo amanaman ahodo a me babesra mo ne yebeye nyame adwuma no. Thank you all so much. Also granted, thank you very much. Thank you when also for coming ata. Thank you. And also for in Belgium, also for Balfour and if a Methodist suffer, oh my God. And then Holland dear okay, Yakani and Methodist my friend is saying living word for living word as some cry, but old friends and the old family. Hey Abna, good morning. Good morning. Me kind of say you know you be kwanya me ase mo chira 6 March and you be head na you dealing with a few things border ye may so ye pay ye may ye be bo ho komo na yina ya kasa chire ho o china 6 March dey abompa so dey amaye mai kronkron Ghana mo mo he so ama no nyina no country a wo ho a wona me so no na watumi ama mehono na yenyina no yetumi appreciate won so good morning and God bless you baby I will be on pacho mamema Mama Sofo, the associate. Empire, my and say, I'm the Pebiachi on a Thursday morning like this. And on Facebook, I just share with your friends. And then, Momozo Somra Suni and some Asafo Erade Ewahanomaya. Yes, some Asafo Erade Ewahanomaya. So we'll prepare on Sadia. Prepare Bible, and say, you're baking kind from 2 Kings chapter 2. Yabekinka ho Abraham amesofo ebom paye ewieda ye shase se ye de ye na se ne ntrontrom ede mewrade wia na fe no ya tie semina ya boy homodren na ya digest into the scripture kakran na fe no ye ko yen enim mamesofo pacho bebom paye amayen Chase so bompa ne nyina no mfa corona virus samusu nyina embra nyame etiasefo ne bibie ne hono nyame ntumenye. In fact, Holland say ukobe bia ope is a crowd to a short. Every place in Holland. Uko Germany among for 2 million need to go fee because they are scared. But Udu Africa as a yen scared biasa, but if you are going to there, but about 4 years scared. They say airport me to be kurato. Must say short to. And there may be a home say ya nipa holding to me, Yamia holding to me, yes. Yamia holding. Mamas of Bompire my
Eradi and a day so that was
yes.
Radi shall come full shooting concrete and yam. Radwadum Arakwa and a day so ye be pure and new. And Bible and a day say, Radi, what to mean in Ara ewo?
Yes, Lord.
The enemy can't ever ye dream a day.
Yes, Lord.
The Jabby Biara Eshawonsa.
Yes,
oh, now ye bedroom, near back in Ara.
Yes,
Lord. Pies and my own nara. Only a new kind, not on church saying, set me a better to yen some afa. Radi a dawase a warriors of penny so while going to 2 year old Nasa Baby drew us some chemo. Radi a big court na wamba. Nas or not dear why not Nasa Wababe Kai and Sa a multi radio issue and a day Nasidankuto and a demao. Radi a bomb pious Adom Ray a side jai all this deadly disease a corona virus the bawenim. Na a cassette with you God all things are possible.
Yes.
Radi una wopenya and no edru ama
yes.
And tia paisa baby biara yare ni efi. Biara etasa yare echi. Ya dumi no ewe Yesu Christo
in the mighty
we
name
pray
of
that
Jesus.
It should lose its hold right now. On the face of the earth in the name of Jesus.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Radu wa ma to me. Say yes, yourself in you many and now you gina sumia a brute to me in so. Oh, Yesu Christo dibo. Na ye kasa ye chifa sayare no so.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Oh Father, we pray. Maybe Piara Yari Radi Ati Esi Krobiara Yari Ati Etus Esisono Ye Bompire se Erade one Casafa sa Campo Wana Enya won na Sawan Yari Mayan who said to me our way radio Ayara Sam our way radio Erade Jiwoni Nara Mayan fa Inonyam she emao Yadawasi Adomenti. Amen.
Amen and amen.
Just one word is all I need. Just one word is all I need. Your word is a yes and amen. Your words are true, you never lie. Whatever you say shall come to pass. What's every other voice, so yeah. It's an opinion, they can have it. Eradicate, casa, that would be a negate. Every other voice, so yeah. It's an opinion, they can have it. Eradicate, casa, that would be
Abusia memo achibio na memo kwa ba na ya wada nyamete asofora ya ma me sofo Quaison Ama Davis associate pastor with Resurrection Power and Living Bread Ministries International at Den Hague Dominion Central. I don't know about Edemaya Bijiri said biara ebiena no onyambe ye niam akese ebebre enti paya oboye sefa wo de onsamfa wo de hono menim se onyame te asofo no waya amaye. A lot of Facebook messages are coming. Maybe no say osofo ampo London high we kura no wo more out of stock wonya the other befa won sebro kura no a short to ha abusia ya de a edi hu aba ewiase afa na nyina. So what you be so that Adom Ahengua and on Adom 106.3. So person Facebook also bet me call Facebook person call YouTube also. Yes, we bet me call YouTube na yina na ya som na ya adwuma efre ehonum. Anopa yankin ka bibi kakra ochina ye afofida. Wachina eye afofida mijiri yese me no me no se adwene ye kro ye man ene yen asetra ehon eno ana me no bi edin komo abramete ehwemo and then besides so we citizen of Ghana cry, what are your benefits? So your mind bar a dear crown now. So you know when say ya wo Ghana ya ma certificate ya ma birth certificate o ya Ghana near a dear cry would you want to amanama bia minimum crown 30 years me on my back who am my fan is a name and I'm a fa I adopt to as my second country Holland. Menji benefits be free, but I ask questions. Na me offer back on din komo a friend Hans didn't come no one me bon komo branch where university no and a masters. Na oye juma other offices na Hans they catch him say, Daddy, so check other countries. Now you're citizen or benefits. The amount you on my back because on the juma you know and link it to other countries, European countries. Now bisa so you Ghana near a day na wukura so wunya. One first and they say we are citizen of a country every 67 years. In fear dia samian sa. Dano betise na ibinimo kase Ghana se say a car ye dimpo no. Ye chama ankran bia. And every Ghanaian ya wo wa wodeka. Automatically ya wo wa anya so akobo besian. Ye janom wo mo di anim na bo besian gu ho. Am I every citizen wodeka. It is on record. Omambe bia wodeka. Benefit. A benefit ampa. We a negative benefit. Ya wow, there's a Ghana. Ya wow automatically. So for ya wow automatically wodeka. Ghana baby out. Ya wow nya. Wodeka. You inherit it. What ya wow to Ghana no instantly wodeka. And the kind of wouldn't a small car because loan the more no and the edge and the more no edge you know a 2 man it's an pay yan discussions yan kasantre ho na yan fa twere kronkron a ye gina soda ne bi ne yan fa en kasantre ho na kronomufo no ka kire Elisa say 2 Kings chapter 2 the verse number 19 down. Na kronomufo ka kire Elisa say hwekuri dabia efe said ye mi wura wa nkasa uhuni nenso so ensio no nye kroni de da yie nenso so ensio no enye na asase no so asase no enso ewu asase no ankasa nso so ewu wodi ade adua mu a and swaba no say mombre me ayu afoforo na momfa enchini engum na wode bre no na ofriadi ko ensuo no aniwa no ho ekohwie enchini no egumu ewo ho na okanse Awurade sadi Awurade sienie masa ensuo yi yade owo ana opone biara erimfiri emu emma ebio na ensuo no yeye edibesi enedei sadi Elisa ekaaye no sadi Elisa ekaaye no
Atrema kasa dodo emfashema eradika so na manya imaso just one word is all I need eduro betchewa atrema
so ya kenkan mame so ya kenkan mehwe isu ene banya the citizens no omoda na bi kire Elisa da Elisa be ye obi a obedi ade from Elijah na nche you it just say bia watena kunya so ache or inherited from Elijah, and Elijah was a very powerful man. Century anwa die pa die na Elijah pa say wo ye comparative analysis say onyame di nipa ye adwuma na di nyame di like so wakasa me Jeffrey esoraba de obedi na de rebedi na de ana the citizens no ade omdi hia no eye wom concern about se oman no abaso intimimpiemba. The land was not productive.
Exactly.
It was not bringing forth fruit. What do you read a book about curses? Where you ever say a no me? Why the coffee buy will be one of the things. But when you mean pa Elisa a betoye wabra on my mano say you are a bon continue. Usho fear you may see those things. Usho what sorry you may see it. Usho ma memba brabomwa ubetimi hono. Usho papa ma brabomwa to be what you say mo ho fepa. Aho fe de nyame amfa nkamemo. Nimdie nyame amfa nkamemo. Nenso so se ye ka baswa. Ozo
Munzoaba on productions. Elisha assuming the confrontation was sad. Now reho obia obidia die ye ba ya na ye ma responsibility kromo for no said that call say na kan is their concern. No can profundia was this town is located in a pleasant surroundings. New Living Translation. It's located. We're gonna be very, very, very good position. Hey, my bush opinion. Translate. Now, so.
No, so yeah. Shema afa ahudu bebre. Se enipa ebeye den ne wohunu se ne adepa e o se pie free ukrum a MPA ye. De o se pie free wo ma memba mu a MPA ye. Won se wonye obi a wo ye deep thinker. Na wo adwena emu harea. Adepa bi kura ma on se da bia no ase complacency bi wo adwene ye de kakra bi ebenya bia no yeah okay. But on say the citizens no kurono mafo no on my man
no me concern
wo me concern
na de ne ha
and your concern na wo me do man no keka ye concern de wo mo ekuru se eniema bi nkoyi no mo pese wo mo hunu bribi
because as a citizen there you have rights and benefits. No maybe we how to be say we dey me Ghana media so that say now so yenhwe the back of that no be true on Facebook or oh book it out in the pa na sancho bako. There is a case in this country. Which political party brought it? This is more controversial. But true, you pardon me, why controversies are penny. And I'm saying, look, it's not about political party, but it's about we the citizens. How
concerned are you?
Yes, citizens. We are not law abiding. And me person me say we are not patriotic enough.
You're not patriotic enough. Bishop, you're patriotic enough.
No cranny pa, say, me back gun and I may drive what, me not comfortable.
Also for pay me bound. Say, lay a 4. As a say, what speed, you know, say.
They don't understand the lanes. Indiscipline.
Who
will be a person? One here, be accidents here.
Yeah, corner me catch it. Say,
reckless, irresponsible. Woman in him, the one should my man said you see any media. You did drive.
How do you get your even driving license? I present this. You can drive in the fast lane. What do you mean by drive? Articulate a driver fast lane. Now, Belgium, baby. No, Holland. I cost you a family, yeah, baby. Or see how suffer some bar bank crown. You be 300 euros. Yeah, you be my bill.
I buy you bar by pa. You be 300 euros to pay.
Last week, you me real hoye. In say omuko un say you emergency routes for ambulance for any in a some emergency road now say accident see ambulance baba be fa so no come and see omode anusa ye lane for and I'm say see if unexpected happens what are we going to do now? No law or security the ye
Corona man in the car, you.
Corona man.
Me no baby, I may imagine in our Corona man. One more concern, one more that one more commercial. They have observed how many years the citizens know and the share ya no call Elisa House. We are minipa. We are minipa for flower bad dear. Nanzo so ye shake Korea. Kojo. Yeah, real Korea. Kroni dia da ye ka krono ankasa de o hawo ni amane ne ho nanso me ba me zoom it down say the citizens no akoma bɛn adwene bɛn ɛne ɔpepa bɛn na ye wo ɛfa ye ma wo beto ye abusuani but abusua da ye bubu agu a wo mfa ho enti ase wo fie da na bubu agu no adwene bɛn ne akoma bɛn na ba wadwene mu we no sorry no entimi nyini da no e de na ba
na wo ye fa hu
because we nya biasem ba me kasa one kasa what kind of citizen o man ba ben o man ba ben na wo ye
nya ma papa
o man ba ben
I don't like this man do Syria no pe do ya Syria
Ghana police for yan e be so afrɛ baby accident this one am na mo be
usuto me busa peninsula wa no na
terribly bad serious terrible
I'm over here
yes I'm watching this year me there 2 cars when need many terribly bad 2 cars I'm say trailer no lose control you know the white pay first car the white pay second car and then there's a motor involved as well and said the honestly FCC no anyone who
kojo be o mic no
one more trotro no no esia betra kwan no no mestre say National Ambulance Service for as quickly as possible
location here
St. John's here
maybe me drive by
opposite Chimotamo
opposite
directly opposite Chimotamo
when was one again that road no Miss Rose papa
yes
you will deep
fast lane but say yeah can say no e kwan ho se yetimi educate krom ha pa obi o kaka bia no menim kwan be fa so aye be no ada no me to kwan na national roads safety any emergency menim na na tra play mo they don't more call Sweden akusua dear about emergency ne no ko sua ba
yeah on mama
no
Papa yadwen no on say na wo ka abaso ho asem wontimi expect say Nyankopon mo waburu no wonya mo suban you expecting God to give you maize. Your posture is a rice posture. Nyamede eburo ne ba onya asa eburo asase obenya mo asase nti obewu
your problem
yeah adwen no de bia me ka say you be this 6th match aya na wo ya DV timete won kan no pe na nyame won o man no adwen na ewo mu no efa with all apologies to whoever is listening.
Yeah, apology to who?
Men can say.
Yeah, apology to Obia. And no nama ye man. Ye koyeti. Ya bese sambai kojo. Ya bese sambai. Yemia
honestly. There's no law. And the one who dreaming we are so much mummy and say, "Oh, I dream of Hobart at the ball." Wabuko. Taba, Taba Canisa, and the one who tossed me Taba. I drain on Tabai, but who don't find draining yet?
Hey, I don't know.
One day, I have fed up. Waka,
who don't find the last group in the Papa
Wakasa,
also Nabam Nebu
Famoto way so. Never say light better was.
Papa, no light.
William,
I drove there last night.
Papa, street light, sunlight, we shoes, I bear your burden. William said in 90 days we should have light across the country. Me can say as I'm not sonodo. Mr. Listen, the Hanye Holland, Hanye Amsterdam, Hanye Germany. Now, abiding enough capital to buy virtually everything. So, what to me and Yesika? It's a 3-bedroom house at him. That went to be first street light in Moa Nimwa, and you can say my grandma quarter dining.
No, I said, I'm a team in the coins, not light.
When Pierre Company is some multimedia,
you have to be a street light.
When Pierre Company is some multimedia, that's a treha, nitriha. Why would I in the beginning to the end? What's your first street light? You know more. I said to and look like security. But Quadri. Motorway, dear. Motorway. Kwame Nkrumah. Now you're down, Papa. Not buying enough for highways. No, let me say, Wafa. A crane, a sway, sumsa. One fast one, I don't know who is sending a gun here more buffer. You should follow me, son. I see a bayenty and light. Maybe I say, I never want more. Could you mean Pebble free or a by who? But near my kitchen, Kitty Honomoa. Say, who to say, oh, yeah. Me who to say, I'm managing. Now, maintenance culture. Maintenance culture. Maintenance culture. Well, tell me tonight, and yes, I did not. On my money, the who ye, and no more catching a Lisa say. On my dabia dear, when you're bro, you're 2 years. Papa, soil scientist to be by Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, and Obeshia Honorable Bafuboni, former Sukwa MP. Ah, baby, I not see owu ya. Ye dey hotel, ye for Reese Hotel o Kumase no. Papa no be fa, obeku Ghana soil no Kumase no. No say Bafuboni, emfa ne nkobronga hafo. Northern region. And now 6 regions emu nete. And no the call when proposal or trouble here. From Denmark say Ghana buy bit me they want to buy part of our land. Your soil no person to be. Oh. You be mom kwai to meto. Your soil no. Eti enetie keke kura nyame de ma Ghana no. Obi ti ba bi pe. Netie dotie obi ti ba bi pe. Ena yeti o man nim na ya kokoasa. So for wusu ansa aka. Eti so for wusu ansa e wo party kill. So for kwesinke ko kan yenti o wo party W. You refuse asem na all cano. or come another bois or mine. It is a quabi the baby nine yet. No, he be cut pet or he be a part away. Sir, light here anyway. So for us, as a pet or part away. It's a politician that succeeded dividing us against development. It's who reach the
I was it be Bisawo, Yenina, Suadio, and the Yenina, Bobo, Yan Kwani, Ghana fool. By Yadina Ghana. What do you see in this country? What do you see? And what are your expectations? A dear na wo hwehwe se o se nyame ye mayen. Na me na wo anka sansoro ya ye krado de.
I see destitution.
Nyame nyame kura na yura ho magana. Because the way our position here no per the scripture na ye kind no yet the year pa bibie ni hwa e bi ni Ghana
abrochire untua ayi offering say ayi offers or council tax edutumu council tax
kwa wa ye bola wo fie Jesus wa ye bola wo fie no ye wo ba bia e say wo chichemu wo de plastic ni ade na wa chichemu na wo de select kofra paper no kofra plastica ye won grofo me ba inspectors abole no mu address o so abel ye de bebro no o ani abrobel o ye dey u busa won say wo de bola no wo misplace bola no Jesus Christ wo misplace bola no o ye abrobel
ye coach na nye
Dubai
papa bi
discipline
Dubai citizens economists be on order Ghana me journalists be I think GTV co interview no share journalist name sana or sre kwa no be say aden or say yen ni hwe but you will leaders.
Yes, that's a good statement.
Yen ni hwe
but you will leaders,
but you will leaders.
Yeah, yen leaders.
Because you have the gold, you don't have a golden street. We don't have the gold. Now we have the golden street. People fly to come and see.
You see?
We don't have anything, but we have leaders.
Papa,
everything under the sun is leadership. The rest are just effects.
That's right.
That's right. Replic for you. Mosofo amako papa mwako fi mu no. Say nye quality leadership and kasoro na gu. Because who sorry ya the ote ye wu. That's
a profound statement.
What I say? Quality leadership. Kasoro na gu.
Oh yeah.
Though we may have our challenges.
You need quality leadership. And when you're in school, Bible says so be penim dia. So you can never be a good leader without asking wisdom from God. No matter your PhD, your professor, whatever. If you don't ask the man who gives wisdom, you can rule and rule better. It's in almighty America, Kurano. Look at how quality pastors.
Amsterdam also prison bubuego. Prison by bubu na because 500. I didn't know bubu no. A mumu bamia no more recycle no.
Oh yes.
Machine some.
Money will never waste anything.
And President, you're groundbreaking for the National Cathedral. That's why the cement.
Oh Jesus!
I support the National Cathedral 10,000%. But my problem is that
10,000 credits, sir.
1 million %.
1 million %.
Me 200 bucks, but me swa 1 bag. Now me the 100 bucks. This can add to 1 bag. Na so me support it. But anka the ye bubu no. Then I give it to me the ye.
And only accept.
They will waste.
I don't need a yebu.
No, yebu be that. Say you be a cobompire. Yebu no me say prison no. One of my sisters and I am no and one baby who could see for flow. One with the
the onion secure the bear said you want to bet me 10 times. Into the Yanguni Santum.
Cecilia, me a bayanoa. I'm telling you, the next generation will suffer and continue to suffer.
They will not suffer.
They will suffer.
They will come and beat us, even in our grave.
So, through suffering, thing about Enti Kroma not na sen obuhuru senia mabin koye. Woman kasakeke. They were looking for solution.
They were not criticizing.
They were not criticizing.
But they were concerned.
They were concerned.
They were passionate.
Concerned because at times they be abuse the word concern. Be abuse no. But one more person chrono etime suaba. Me go say niema nkoye nyame nipa eti me fie niema nkoye mabrabo niema nkoye ba me person niema sesa eno na me pen wo sankrofo no ajambo nsa wa betra eno a eti kwadwoi ya nkasa keke ya we me nkasa keke ya nkonkrofo ma so nkohuna de keke me se na nsa na betimi train mo ma mo bi and drive be fat train me am timeyira no me bisa na me namu na me hwa ade no obi kira me no a me hwa ade no sa me si oi enye ha ya ne nkrofo ba school ha nye ha ya ne ba be PhD enye wo mo classmate no mo coursemate na nam we
papa no so wo ma me ka sem we ka na re ho wonim se wo free Ghana ha kosua de wa brochire wo mo so mfa so fi abrochire ba Ghana ya 0.
Oh yeah,
because one baby ofina okoho no ohu ade na oho no ntiase nti e ne fekeke no akohwe no aba
me se dabi wan ko so we ofa ase ba ko Hans Katria
wonwa
Hans Katria se kwadwo o se daddy ma ko school ha no ka se me Ghana e maye adwuma se de me mada because so wo ba
the frustration
enipa no wo aho no wo mo ye click na wo ba de ne ye no ajeti ombe ye wo no
now what is all we bitimi ama change number no omu wie a omu decide say
adi aye be ye wo pese o man ne ye no oso ko one of the embassies here ye Ghana ye embassies no o catch say a lot of negatives were o man no kamu yi say munye say communication the omom ye ho adwuma say wa kwara aketo wo na wo be kire ye say ye niema ye wo ba wi ase da
ya tra ha
sa MBA for no me ba ya che no sa MBA holders no omo ha dwen wo mem ha me ba ya che for no papa me ba ya che for no omo say baby abedru bia no wo ba da pen they look at your age, they don't look at your brain.
Ete amai mani bisa se kroyi da yie eti minim se de ye kan nyina de wo kan se na sofo de na mo besa mo ka de besa ye kan nyina de ye kan no se kro ne de da yie efie papa de ye frim sukuu papa de yakọ nanso ye ko sukuu de wi ye nya adwuma eno ni asem no na my mano osofo o my mano kojo o my mano ma me sofo o my mano on my mano
papa was a leaders
on my mano
kroa emebu nu suban nya chese mpanifo ni suban papa.
Oh yes, spirit of rebellion.
Politicians na hun say wo mo ye wan de ye start say ye ya de ye a wo mo be che won until they try every time somebody bibia ema yen ya de ye eti say wo wie school na wo nya adwuma ye a wo so be ba be ye odefo na wetimi ahwe wo yere na wo ma eti no you call their bluff until the attorney say I need to create artificial hardship, put you into it, lock the gate of national resources. Now we be now channel na yama wa bre eti yama wo bra we invest yama wo kuta master's degree yama wo bra 5 years na me mama adwuma pepe when you see me as your lord,
as your boss, your lord.
So
eti de make bia with me misakosa
papa you got it
with me misakosa me na me employ wo said that
yes
eti wa bofra no ba ya koa ene afna forever
ma o manya yetimi Emma Kwabrane $14.7 million said ko fa mango seedlings bra no the mango seedlings miensa peba no the two Esikoto International Airport na she ye from Professor Kasim Kasanga na fe akabako na ba ko so a na no so waste such a country. What do you think
Omanya na wafa no ho edi.
No wafa di. Omanya obi gi belt hook allowance. Enya belt no.
Ni hook allowance.
Belt hook allowance. Na wagi bottom allowance.
Oh, meaning
Club mom dear.
Na ubu waka chiro say to
comes
interesting country.
Papa now watimi aton aban car enya 3 years. No have turned 5 million. That is $100.
Aban car.
No have talk $100. Now I send back what to so. OTA. Now I public accounts committee. Now you send out say on na oshenye. Nti October 500 no. Meanwhile we could have 50,000 Ghana cedis to one farmer no or 25 million more no ne ho. We no dey can ba ko to so. Or public account.
Kojo meba.
Yes, yeah, dear Chini and Tiasan for Faichi. Adichia bia, in the city will be as Fairman yourself, a good demunsem, I go cancel munsem, energy demunsem, any dear phone put to my dear would tear when you bench, any dear Bamua bottle.
I rather to me why to me cry, rather to me to be free happen, yes, a Janice
Baby Bakupe, and now better the canny, a Adom 106.3 FM, Cassia Bosso, and into Kayawan, the Bia, and Oponuncia, Prempubre, and Yenumenuncia, near for Cassia Bob, dear, it's crying, the 2 hours say, and the song. Adom 106.3 FM Cassia Bob, ye dear.
I'm saying I'm wakwaba. Begidi say baby ya kenka ye ABF na waba beto ye ne ya kenkan efre ahemfo ngoma toso mieno etira ye mieno 2 Kings chapter 2 the verse number 19 down. Ofam ye usu ansa kwese ke wa ha ene na yire ene na busu apanyine ena kwadwo ye ne de san semfue ya ochena Ghana ebedi fie sei Ghana da sei sei na ohunu ede na ohunu say now person Ghana ye and so say be now person hunu no my Ghana mu adwene pop ben na wo fa Ghana ho ye ma obegina o mampanyine nim na ye ma obegina obi obetumi aye o ma yiye anim na e dia pa pot specific one question and I obetumi ebisa no na kuroyi mufuo no ka kire Elisa say hwe kuroyi da bia ye fe said ye mi wura wa huni wa mo ma wo onyame ni banuani ba ho se wa wo ma ye nyame adwuma keke but look at the land na wa so hwe ye no wa hunu nyame nkrofo bebre ye hwe o ma no kra ye hunu ye hwe osu ye hunu de here ye members e beba sorry but ye hwe citizens no eniema wo mo famu na tete wo mo na ebre wo masie ba wo mo de onyame ni pa na dwene e ba ho eno na yeshia no enne eti next year see 64 what would the nation be like aya simbisa say na boss Ghana ye eno ne ye twetwe ho nkomo aya boba ho nkomo a no nsia kwa akoboyi na se no nsia no ba e die no wa fa afiri mo ufie edwiri gu die na wo ye mrante ne maba wa wo ma wie school a wo ntimi nya adwuma ahwe nkora bi school wo ma wie university wo nya adwuma wo mutisi fie da na makop machine e de amabi no se munkosu ya de pass na mama ntratre fie certificate ntimi fa top money bi ama munkosu ya adwuma munkosu ya no se daddy ye be kwa akoye dodo abusia there are a lot of things that the young people but you are not to say ya bi adwuma mitimi seresa because me nim nkrofo amahwe wo mu school
ya nya adwuma
me am sika anya for the sika.
You tell me you've created 2.2 million jobs.
Citizens of this place. I don't know what you say.
Otra resurrection for call retreat. We hear me. I do my come a family retreat in one sem kakra because baby I do.
What you kind.
I me can I man. Go back we chair me be share that me bopa na me be come.
What be program aya. Was so that
me see me here retreat one announcement. I don't know sir. Who ko ina haju. Aha. Na hajo with Captain Smart. Okay. I was afu ye call so I mean how you invabu brigade ye call brigade
it's a family
yes resurrection for ye call a brigade ye ni ye busuafo for me man joy ni say me yere ne me ba ne me nana wa hanti nyina ekobi say unya wadwen are ready free ya provide transportation
ya da na
ko nyina ye ko ne yakodi independence no ho na
we pray for Ghana, pray for our family ya boy empire ma yen ho ne akasa akire yen ko ne da yie
nenso
sa nenso so ne yepesi etu ase
ena nyimre nso me kasa ama na o mama me bebia me kasa na me kan wasemo me kasa ma Prophet Charles Nursery Prayer House Chapel and enyumre ya enti se oben wa na wato
bacho mama correct bi o hano ema obi say bacho scripture obetimi asade ama me bi okay mama mfama 2 Kings chapter 2 verse 19 down kenkan ni nyina 2 Kings open kra shasi free verse 1 eno do be mu onyamfonyi ni nyina no mo yedi pate se me no mo yenu a wo mo kwa asore dem no enye bompa mama they were concerned about the land on mine. Thank you.
Yeah, and Prophet Charles sorry, war Odoko Buzia area ho. I feel so chance here all night. Pray before Adundakwa, Mikokasa or Adundako, and then me who didn't tell and now Bishop Abba Senkabi.
Yeah, time as some patch.
Oh, Mammy Chia will be going. I feel so much will be Mamenka, me lanchi buku osu ICGC. So for Penny Smith, Kosiada. There's a case in this house who brought it.
Kosiada
8 March here. Na ye lanchi anopa nongotwe ekopi no duba.
Kosiada nongotwe.
Nongotwe.
Kosiada.
Senior Wuti
ICGC.
ICGC. Osu. VR clinic ho.
Okay.
They say makoso we ho nyanti me man direction. Say wo ba on.
What say yankan no me.
Yankan here. Yeah, me here endorsement too.
Martin, no problem. Say ayimu nyina aye, kwadwo mu nyina aye. No tribe Lord.
Yes sir.
Me dem say afibia no ohwa asase no ohwe say obeye ochina na we odwumade no.
Dan pacho you.
Aye time.
Pacho 4 o'clock pepepe.
And no me ababa ba ko from US or be perform odwumade na.
Yeah, melody from Pong.
Me ne ba. Yeah, that's you know say what be true.
Na nyano nko anso so anka to so na fi no kekeli eba na koda nso so eba bi hobe so say koda SP okay
this adwumade no botai kra na say
my instrument my worship send na mo kan no o man no benya betumi aye dwuma yi a o say nya good instrument.
Okay.
And I'll be also ye Jumana be ye when you're good instrument.
Okay.
Ebe ye.
And the instruments like a span and a yana a
Acadia has these tools. I'll be to be there ye Jumana now. And I'm saying yeah, musical concert in near that was my instrument, my worship. My worship. And as of my sorry ni me sorry ni. And into no I was in your good instrument. Na yedi yenya mejuma no na instrument na no say there's a one kasa na wo yejuma no
wo instrument
wo ye tontura nkasa say woman for woman say mon for mo nipadua ne nsi wo it nipadua no ano aye instrument okay
yeah na me sorry ni ye say ye be sorry papa
and the amel
na yam complaining in worship
okay
na and be na ye be
it watchna
damn pacho you
brebe
4 o'clock
no 9 pepe if bria that's nearby be t-shirt near there so it be dress down
any dress be a decent
dress down
you good
you said that you suit no Ghana and Tadia
that is it because me crown me Jimmy Ghana
or try the 6 match into the Ghana and Tadia Ghana